Hi guys, and welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Guys, so many things have been happening on the ongoing Big Brother Naija show season 5. So yesterday, Lucy broke down in tears as Prince advises her on the happenings in the house. Bbnaija 2020 housemate Prince has advised his friend Lucy on her attitude in the reality show. In the past few days, Lucy has engaged in heated arguments with Nengi and Erica. On Sunday night, she and Nengi hurled insults at each other after Nengi heard her muttering some words about her in the bedroom. Recall, Erica also insulted Lucy, describing her as a clown who has issues with most housemates. Speaking to Lucy, who almost got into a fight with Erica again yesterday, Prince said most of the housemates misunderstand Lucy because of how she puts out her emotions and acts defensively. He advised her to control her emotions and not let the emotions get in her way. Prince said, Lucy, you need to control your emotions. You feel everybody hates you, but try not to be defensive. You are an amazing person. We have different points of view and have different understanding, so you cannot blame them. You cannot control how people act towards you. You are my friend and you have flaws like every other person, but never feel like you are less of a person. We all became age mates when we came here and are equals here. Do not let the bad in the world make you stop being good. That is who you are. Not everyone will like you and we cannot all like each other. When you say things sometimes and people do not understand, it is because the person is stuck in what they believe in. Lucy became emotional and broke down in tears, saying most housemates misunderstand her and do not listen to her when she talks. Recall that while they were rehearsing for their Thursday wager tax, Lucy brought up a suggestion to the house, trying to let them know what they could add to their drama presentation, but no one listened to her. Instead, Erica, who happens to be the head of house, just cut her short and said, okay guys, let's continue what we were doing before. So it got Lucy very angry with everybody, and she stated it there that it seems whenever she talks, no one wants to listen, or they see her like somebody that does not have anything meaningful to add to the group. She was upset, and all those things led up to Prince having a talk with her, because Lucy was seeing herself as someone who is less of a housemate. Okay guys, moving on, something strange happened yesterday. Tasha made an appearance in the Bbnaija Lockdown house. Yes, Tasha, Bbnaija Tasha, simply Tasha as you all know her. She made an appearance in the house yesterday and it was really shocking. Former Big Brother Naija Pepperdem housemate Tasha Akide made an appearance in the Bbnaija Lockdown house when the season 5 of the show was going to start. The organizer of the show announced that the housemates would not have the luxury of having guest visitors as it was done on the previous editions of the Bbnaija show. But on day 24 of the Bbnaija Lockdown show, Tasha was watched on screen as she introduced the day's tax to them. The tax was sponsored by a phone company that has her as its brand ambassador. When she appeared in the video, she introduced the challenge to them and explained how they are expected to go about it to them. Afterwards, the housemates left for the arena for the challenge proper. So still on the Bbnaija show, Erica misses Lekon. She said she just wish she didn't lose Lekon because of Kid Wire. Erica has finally discharged herself from Lekon due to the fact that she is with Kid Wire. I cannot mingle with him because he will still be hot. Recall, Lekon already proposed they stay away from each other so he can focus on the game and not think over her in the house. Speaking with Kid Wire, Erica questioned Kid Wire on why he keeps mentioning Lekon, because she finds it not cool to make fun of a grieving man. She acknowledged her friendship and how bad it is for her to lose him, but that is the right thing to do in such a situation because Lekon can't see them booed up and still be friends with her. According to her, she's not speaking with Lekon anymore, at least that will relieve the young man of his pains and heartbreak. Watoni also revealed deep secrets about New. Watoni has declared New as the type of man she's dying for, and he is already taken. While discussing a type of man, she said she liked Prince but not anymore because she finds him too serious though he's good. She labeled Neo as her spec because he fits her, he's dark, tall, and most of all, his vibe makes sense to her. She doubts she could say that in his presence because it would cause World War III. Because she had a nasty altercation with Neo's girlfriend V, and she would not like that to happen again. So secretly, Watoni is feeling Neo. She has something for Neo, but too bad she can't have Neo. Nengi makes shocking revelation as she said she won't mind having sex on national TV. She said this while in discussion with Ozo. Bbnaija Lockdown housemate Nengi has said she would have sex in the reality show if she wants to despite the camera. According to her, viewers and housemates will always talk, so she does not care if she has sex on national TV. She said this during a conversation with Ozo. Ozo asked, "Will you care about public if you do it on national TV?" Nengi responding said, "No, I'll face them if it happens. They will still talk about other things." The female housemate had earlier complained that condoms in the house are reducing faster. The first housemates caught having sex in this lockdown edition were Praise and Katrina, who were not even into any serious relationship, although Praise and Katrina have denied they had sex that day. So on Nengi, finding out that the condoms in the house have reduced, she turned and asked Ozo if he has been using the condom also. Also said he wished he used some of those condoms. Wow. So guys, what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section below. From all indications, it seems Ozo and Nengi will soon be doing something spectacular on national TV. Let's keep an eye on them, guys. Okay, if this is the first time of watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when the story drops.